Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best whiteboard cleaner and eraser is probably one of the most essential tools for any office, classroom, or home study space, ensuring your brainstorming sessions and presentations remain crystal clear and impactful. Imagine a world where stubborn marker stains and smudges vanish effortlessly, leaving your whiteboard looking pristine and ready for your next great idea. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about maintaining the efficiency and professionalism of your communication hub, making every interaction a success. We're diving deep into what makes a cleaner and eraser truly stand out, so you can make an informed decision for your workspace. Number 5. EXPO Dry Erase Markers Kit, Chisel Tip, 6 Count. Introducing our new dry erase markers, featuring the most vibrant ink yet. This vivid ink ensures your writing is easily readable, even from across the room. Designed for whiteboards and more, these markers write smoothly on most non-porous surfaces. Watch your words pop on glass, acrylic, and other materials. Cleanup is a breeze with the included eraser and cleaner spray. Everything you need to make your marks disappear cleanly is right here. Achieve the perfect line every time with the versatile chisel tip. It allows for a range of line widths, adapting to all your writing needs. This 6-count kit provides everything you need to get started. You'll receive 4 markers, 1 eraser, and 1 cleaner spray for immediate use. Ideal for any setting, these markers are essential for your office, classroom, or school supplies. Make your presentations and notes stand out. What we like. If you need a complete set for immediate use, this is the one. It includes everything you need to get started, from vibrant markers to an eraser and cleaner. This kit is perfect for anyone setting up a new workspace or classroom and wanting a hassle-free solution. What people say. The colors are bold and write smoothly without skipping, which makes notes and diagrams easy to read from a distance. The built-in eraser is especially convenient and it saves time, keeps everything in one place, and works well without leaving streaks or residue. All the markers work great. Nice and dark. Write smooth and love the eraser is magnetic and sticks to whiteboard. The low-odor ink is a lifesaver during long lessons in closed classrooms. Students can sit close to the board without complaints about strong smells. After daily use, the tips remain firm, delivering both bold headlines and fine details without fraying. The eraser works well for fresh notes, and the included cleaning spray is perfect for removing older ghost marks that build up over time, keeping the board looking almost new. Number 4. EXPO Whiteboard Care Dry Erase Wipes. Keep your whiteboard looking its best with these essential cleaning wipes. They are designed for quick and effective erasing of all dry erase marks. Don't let ghosting or stubborn marks ruin your writing surface. These wipes are formulated to cut through tough residue, extending the life of your boards. Our convenient pop-up container ensures each wipe stays fresh and ready to use. It makes grabbing a new one simple and hassle-free. Experience a truly clean erase with our specially formulated solution. It effectively removes dry erase marks, ghosting, and even grease. Perfect for busy classrooms or important conference rooms, these wipes ensure your presentation surfaces are always ready. They are a must-have for any educational or professional environment. Each container comes with 50 wipes, providing ample cleaning power for all your whiteboard needs. You'll have plenty on hand for regular maintenance. What we like. For those who struggle with stubborn marks and ghosting, these wipes are a game changer. The easy-to-use pop-up container ensures they stay fresh and are always within reach. If you want to maintain a pristine whiteboard with minimal effort, especially in busy environments like classrooms or conference rooms, consider this option. What people say. These EXPO Whiteboard Care Wipes clean my whiteboard fast and leave no streaks or residue. Super convenient, stay moist, and make my board look brand new every time. Shockingly, these work amazing. They are so good at taking off marker stains that were there for many years and months. These EXPO Whiteboard Care Dry Erase Wipes are a game changer. I use my whiteboard daily, and over time, it tends to accumulate stubborn marker stains and ghosting. These wipes easily remove all residue, leaving the surface looking brand new. The size, 8x5.5, is perfect, large enough to clean efficiently without wasting product. Plus, the 50-count pack lasts a long time, making it a great value. The wipes are also moist but not overly wet, so they don't leave streaks or require extra drying. Number 3. Loukin Shag Dry Erase Eraser with Cleaner. Tired of stubborn dry erase marks? This eraser is designed to effectively wipe away dry ink, leaving your surfaces smooth and clean. Its curved back and sponge material fit perfectly in your palm. You'll find it comfortable and easy to grasp for extended use. Made to last, this eraser is washable and durable. Plus, the attached suction cup keeps it conveniently within reach on any smooth surface. Quickly clean whiteboards, glass, or note boards. It's the perfect tool for classrooms, homes, and offices alike. Stubborn marks are no match for the included AP-certified cleaner. This non-toxic, low-odor formula effectively tackles even the toughest ink. What we like. If comfort and effective cleaning are your top priorities, this eraser is for you. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, and the shag material is gentle yet effective. The included non-toxic cleaner makes it a comprehensive solution for anyone looking for a comfortable and powerful cleaning experience at home, in the office, or in the classroom. What people say. Works great and cleans the whiteboard very well. The microfiber eraser is soft, washable, and easy to use, and a cleaner included is a nice bonus. This eraser is durable and lasted the entire school year. In fact, I will be able to use it next year too. It doesn't collect residue from dry erase markers. It cleans my boards very well. This is a very handy eraser and whiteboard cleaning set. It works great, and the fact that I can put it in the ash and reuse it easily is awesome. Number 2. IMPRESA Chalkboard Cleaner Spray, 8 ounces. Introducing IMPRESA's 8-ounce chalkboard cleaner spray, your all-in-one solution for maintaining clear and vibrant writing surfaces. It works wonders on chalkboards, whiteboards, and even with liquid chalk and dry erase markers. Our non-toxic formula is perfect for any environment, from homes to classrooms and offices. You can clean with confidence, knowing it's safe for all ages. Tired of stubborn shadows on your board? This cleaner effectively eliminates ghosting and smudges, ensuring your writing surface is always ready for your next brilliant idea. Cleaning has never been easier. Just spray it on and wipe away with a cloth or paper towel. For tougher marks, let it sit for a few minutes for a spotless finish. Proudly made in the USA, this cleaner offers reliable performance with a convenient spray top. It's designed to meet your everyday cleaning needs with lasting effectiveness. What we like. For those who prioritize safety and versatility, this cleaner is an excellent choice. Its non-toxic formula is safe for all environments, and it effectively tackles ghosting on multiple surfaces. If you're looking for a reliable, American-made cleaner that works on chalkboards, whiteboards, and with various marker types, this is the product for you. What people say. This cleaner works great on my whiteboard, removing even stubborn marks. The eraser is effective and doesn't leave any residue behind. The cleaner has a pleasant, mild scent and dries quickly. Number 1. Bullseye Office Retro Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers. Introducing our set of 3 retro magnetic dry erase erasers. They bring a classic design back with modern functionality for your whiteboard needs. These stylish erasers feature a felt bottom that effortlessly removes ink from dry erase markers. They work effectively on various surfaces like melamine, steel, porcelain, and glass. Designed for convenience, these 4.5 by 1.5 inch erasers make cleaning your dry erase board a breeze. Gentle swipes are all it takes for an effective clean. Remember those classic pink pencil erasers? We've brought that nostalgic design back and transformed it into a powerful magnetic eraser for your dry erase board. These erasers are built to last, so you won't need to replace them often. Simply clean them under warm water with mild soap. They are non-toxic and eco-friendly. Ideal for classroom and school use, these are the perfect eraser supplies for teachers. Keep your whiteboards pristine with ease. What we like. If you appreciate a touch of nostalgia and need multiple cleaning tools, this set is ideal. The magnetic feature keeps them handy, and the retro design adds a unique flair. Perfect for classrooms and schools, this durable and washable set offers great value and a classic aesthetic for your whiteboard needs. What people say. These erasers stick to both the whiteboard surface and the fridge very well without sliding down. These erasers also erase very well. This eraser has yet to not be able to get all the marker off, without any cleaning fluid. These erasers are just what we wanted. The fuzzy part is sleek and works very well to completely erase. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.